If you own a Samsung Soundbar but still press buttons randomly, hoping it works, stop. Today I will show you exactly what every button on Samsung Soundbar remote does, so you can control your sound like a pro. Remote breakdown. Power button on the top left of the remote turns your soundbar on or off. Simple but essential. Next to power source button, switches between different input sources like HDMI, optical, Bluetooth or aux. On the top right, we have the Bluetooth pair. Hold this to connect your soundbar to your phone, tablet or TV wirelessly. Now we have the middle button, play or pause. When you are playing music or a video through Bluetooth, HDMI or USB, pressing this button will pause or resume playback instantly, just like on a music player. It is especially handy if your phone is not nearby, but you want to pause the track or movie without touching the main device. The buttons surrounding the play pause in that round selection are actually a 4-way navigation or volume control ring on your Samsung Soundbar remote. Here is what each direction does. The up button increases the soundbar main volume, while the down button decreases the soundbar main volume. And on the left side, this goes to the previous track when playing music via Bluetooth or USB, or navigates left in the menu. While the right, this keeps the next track when playing music via Bluetooth or USB, or navigate right in the menu. So the full center works like this. The ring, volume and track navigation, while the middle play pause button, pause or resume playback. Navigation and volume wheel center, you push up or down to increase or decrease the volume. When you push down, it decreases the volume. When you push up, it increases the volume. You instantly mute your soundbar when you press the middle of the volume wheel. Like this, it automatically mutes the volume. You can press it back to unmute. You have the sound mode button. Switch between sound profile like standard, surround, game or adaptive. Perfect for movie, music or gaming. Information button below volume on right. Choose the current sound mode or settings on your TV screen if supported. Now the woofer button. This controls the bass level separately from the main volume. One deeper tones, increase it. Need quieter bass at night, lower it. Then channel level on the bottom left. This adjusts the volume of individual speakers, especially useful if you have a rear surround speakers connected. At the bottom middle we have settings, a gear icon. This opens advanced settings like audio sync or special features. At the bottom right, we have the tone control. This fine-tunes treble and bass to match your taste or room acoustics. Now, before we forget, your remote also has a single mute button just below the navigation wheel on the left side. And that is every button on Samsung Soundbar remote explained. Now you can switch modes, tweak bass and connect devices without guessing. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick clear tech guides. Got a Samsung Soundbar question? Drop it in the comments, I'll be glad to help.